Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-Keto and Low-Carb channel. Today I will be making quick and easy no-flour chicken cutlets. So straight into the ingredients, I have some chicken breast slices, which I have pre-seasoned with salt, white pepper, onion, and lemon juice. And in a separate bowl, I have 3 eggs, seasoned with salt, white pepper, and thyme, which I will now whisk together. After whisking, I am going to add natural whey protein isolate, unflavored. This is the type I use, which is available from Amazon. I am going to add 3 tablespoons of the whey protein isolate at first, and then whisk. The mixture needs to resemble a cake batter. After whisking, I can see the mixture is a little runny, so I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of the whey protein isolate and whisk again. Making sure there are no clumps in the mixture. This is the consistency of the mixture we need. And now in a frying pan with some oil, which I have allowed to heat up first. I am now going to dip one of our seasoned chicken breast strips into the mixture we made. Make sure to cover both sides of the chicken and then allow to have any excess to drip off before gently placing the chicken breast strip into the hot oil. Using the same technique, I am going to cover both sides of the chicken breast strips and then place them gently into the frying oil. I am using a low heat, but remember to keep turning over the chicken cutlets until they are golden brown and crunchy. We can see the lovely golden brown color now developing on our chicken cutlets. I'm going to place them on a kitchen paper to absorb any excess oil. Our chicken cutlets are now ready. They are lovely and crunchy. They're even slightly puffed up. Let's have a look inside. They look and smell great. I hope you try this easy, simple recipe out. Any questions, any comments, I would be happy to help. And until next time.